Welcome to Easy Learning.
Exercise 150. We have been informed of the proposed meeting of your county association on Wednesday next, and to us it appears that as soon as the members realize the state of affairs, they will be only too glad to postpone a definite decision. Full stop. We are of the opinion that there are many who have not agreed with the attitude of the executive, and who do not wish the proposals to be carried into effect. Full stop. At all events, at all our own recent county gatherings, which have been rather smaller than usual, there has been much objection to several proposals on this subject, and as soon as we can, we are having a postal vote, as we cannot decide certain matters without knowing the opinion of members who have not been in attendance to express any views on the questions. Full stop.